together?
Yes.
Them your sons?
Yep.
Okay, I need to talk to you now. I talked to her about it. I was in Kroger's. That little one beat me up. Took my $5 in the bathroom. He said, yeah, he took my money. He said, if I come out that bathroom before he leave, he's going to get me again. It's that little one. And I told the police, I said, I'm going to see him again. And he come up in my yard sale. He didn't know it was my yard sale. So I want him arrested. All right, y'all do something about it. I got other stuff. You gotta wait. Look, you gotta.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Come on, go ahead, pass. Go ahead, sir.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Are y'all all together?
Yes.
Them your sons?
Yep.
Okay, I need to talk to you now. I talked to her about it. I was in Kroger's. That little one beat me up. Took my $5 in the bathroom. He said, yeah, he took my money. He said, if I come out that bathroom before he leave, he's going to get me again. It's that little one. And I told the police, I said, I'm going to see him again. And he come up in my yard sale. He didn't know it was my yard sale. So I want him arrested. All right, y'all do something about it.
Get your $5 back.
$5. He took $5. That's all I had. He left me with 31 cents. I couldn't even get candy bar.
How much are your tents over there?
Then what are they?
The tents?
Oh, small ones are 20. The big ones fits 8 people. It's $40.
40? Okay. All right. Thank you.
That means you gotta have 4 more keys.
Nope. I'm good.
Okay. You gotta keep looking. Well, you know what? I think you guys have a volunteer we got. No, this is 5 families. We're trying to help someone out.
Oh, okay, okay.
Our
Because I'm a
family.
yard sailor, so I can say I'll come back next year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I live out in Indiana, so I just have to be shopping.
Okay.
You take care. Thank you for the conversation, by the way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Emphasize enough the need to have a backup sump pump to prevent flooding, especially if you have a city basement. That really resolves the flex water back up.
Close to, yeah.
Hello, how are you guys doing? Doing good.
Easier way to clean your shower without any hassles. You gotta get Wet and Forget shower. Just spray today and let's clean some. Just once a week to prevent soap scum buildup. There's no wiping and scrubbing. Wet and Forget shower's gentle bleach-free formula leaves your bedroom clean, fresh smelling. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget shower at Lowe's, Home Depot, or Menards. Listen, if you struggle with cleaning your windows, I have the answer. Eteray squeegees. That's right. The right tools make a big difference in your window cleaning job. Eteray squeegees is the original squeegee and the #1 choice of professional window cleaners. So don't waste your time with cheap squeegees or costly paper towels. Get a streak-free job the way the pros do. The professional-grade rubber blade is replaceable, and that makes a big difference. Learn more at eteray.com. Available at Amazon and hardware stores near you. Well, it could be biofilm, a slime formation in the plumbing that can harbor nasty bacteria.
We'll see who's... Oh, yeah, I know. I'm going to go home and get down a few more. No, I think I'll leave the leaves, go to my neighbors. We've got most of them down.
We're going to put a gate at the other end of the fence, my daughter, and we're going to install a gate where we can let all the leaves blow into the next door. They all blow right up to the fence and then they go trapped.
The Talk Station. Hey, this is Gary. Make sure you look for the November prestigious Living magazine featuring the holiday gift guide with exceptional offers from Eddie Merlot's Quidova.
Alright, hey guys. We are stopping at this unbelievable estate sale here. We are in Erlanger, Kentucky. Let's take a look at this property here real quick. We got 40 acres here. I think this is a horse farm, apparently. So we've got stables, just awesome plots of land here. It's super windy right now. So this sale was also yesterday, and it's a professionally run estate sale. So I'm not sure what the prices will be like, but we'll see if we can find anything and take you guys along. I didn't do it. $28.
I think, oh no. Either, oh, there's one that's flat and one that's a pillar. I think I got a flat. There's two more right there.
You said 50% off of
Yes.
the entire sale?
Yes.
Okay.
Except the boxes. The boxes are $5 a piece.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna pay $5, so get 2 of them because I don't do change.
All right.
All right.
Hey, buddy. Thank you.
Huh? I don't do change. I don't do change. Exactly.
So, okay, I'm glad you guys put it down and give me a call. Okay, good. Okay, I was just afraid somebody. That's fine.
Interesting.
She's in here.
Alright, so everything is 50% off, which is pretty sweet. So, let's see if we can find anything here. Coors malted milk. Coors adult collectible.
remember that.
No, you're fine.
Sorry?
Never mind. I thought you were my daughter.
No.
She should be here. I don't know where she is. There she is.
Sorry, she lost it.
She confused me for you.
I'm flattered.
So striking striking
I
resemblance.
know. Must be the hair.
You just don't have as pretty a hat as her.
That's very true.
She's only saying that because she bought me the hat.
Anyway.
There's a little swish on it.
Go after you.
What you guys got?
We're gonna look in here.
Look, Daddy.
Whoa.
I'm short enough, I don't think I have to worry.
Okay, let's look back here. Okay,
So it's like 50%
hold
off?
on. What?
50% off?
Everything?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, this looks really cool. A 1930s chrome smoking stand plate. That thing is really cool.
Isn't that wonderful?
That is amazing.
That is, and it's, you know that it's half off today.
Half off, so it's what, $100 now? It's like it's $200.
Mm-hmm.
That was really cool. I
It
don't
is
smoke, but
well, but it's a conversation piece,
yeah,
isn't
for
it?
sure. Yeah, that's really cool. I'm going to think about that one.
That is a beauty. And you know, we didn't turn it on until just a few minutes ago.
Oh, really?
So it went unnoticed all day yesterday.
Oh, because it didn't have the light on there.
We didn't turn the light on.
Yeah.
It turns on at the bottom.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So there you go.
That's very cool.
It would have sold, I'm sure, yesterday.
I think so. I think so.
We just turned it on a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
That's a conversation piece right there.
I agree.
I think that. Oh, did you see that cigarette thing down at the bottom?
Yeah, I did. Pretty cool.
Hold on. Watch your head. You know that. I bet every woman talks to that, right? Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
Buddy O. Hydraulic. 116. Structo Ready Mix.
I've got plenty back here.
Well, get a bigger one so this can lay on it.
Okay.
And the boxes that are covered in glue. Yes. And you see that lovely set.
Oil part connected.
Can't beat it.
We're waiting for you.
Oh,
Stop.
sorry.
All right, come on. No, you don't have to be sorry. All right, let's follow that. I mean, that 50%.
Excuse us.
Did you get the catchers? Why not?
Not worth it.
What?
Not worth it. Hello.
They all want to, all the leaves want to come into my garage. I don't know why. Play them online or
You saw it online, right?
Yeah, I did see it online.
Wind is just like so strong.
Yeah, it's been pretty crazy. VHS. Sorry, babe. You don't have any video games or Bibles, do you?
Video games right there. Someone just came and bought like a whole other tray of them. That's all I got left.
All right. Yes. How much for this game here? $1. And this, I think this goes to a rock band. $1. Sweet. Hey guys. So pickings were very slim with these sales. Again, this trip was not really about sales for the most part. We were just taking a quick little one-day getaway with the family. So we ended up spending a lot of time in Clifty Falls doing some hiking, as well as we stayed in a nice little mansion in the quaint town of Aurora, Indiana. Very small little town where I feel like everyone there probably knows everyone. Everything was in walking distance. There's an IGA, a liquor store, a couple sugary sweet stores, and a couple cool restaurants. So if you've never been, it's pretty cool. It's right on the Ohio River. It's kind of away from everything, and it was nice just to get away for one night. But again, pickings were slim, but I'll show you the few little things that we were able to pick up. All right, so here we've got the Rock Band dongle for PS3. This was hiding in the bottom of a bin. I paid $1 for it. Pretty decent comps for these. People are always looking for the dongles. Those are often lost, really cheap if you can find them. They sell pretty well. And really the only other thing that I found of note is this McDonald's cash register, little calculator guy. This is in good working condition. One of those talking things. So these are pretty cool. Obviously McDonald's stuff, a lot of McDonald's stuff does extremely well. This by itself, comps are right around 22 bucks. But if you've got the money and the food, you can go, upwards of $60 to $80 for something like this. In the past, I think I've sold 3 of the, there's a McDonald's play set. Basically, it's like a little McDonald's stove, basically. It's got the little fry box and all that. I'll throw a picture up there if I can find one. I'll throw a picture up there. If you ever see these things sell very well. They're a pain in the butt to ship. I will admit, you will have to Frankenbox them. But if you see them for cheap, it's definitely worth it. We've been looking for them for the past few years. Again, I found about 3. Haven't found any in the past year though. All right, I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and until next time, stay curious.